As we discussed, when we are asking a question, when do you allow entry of a company into the portfolio? There are many behavioral aspects that come into it, valuation aspects that come into it. So a good buy discipline, Nivesh, would combine fundamental analysis and behavioral analysis to do the job in the right way. The mistake sometimes Nivesh makes is that we accommodate companies that we would otherwise not buy, and we dilute our investment principles or discipline to accommodate certain securities. Now, why does that happen? One of the reasons is fear of missing out. Your peers are buying certain stocks or securities and you want to participate because you feel you'll miss out on those. Otherwise, in a circumstances other than this, you would not have touched those securities. But because others are buying, you want to participate and you're bringing that in. So that's one mistake that Nivesh makes. Another would be if the due diligence that is required on a company is not completed, or a security which is we are evaluating is not completed properly, impatience. Whenever suppose a CEO or a CFO of a company comes on TV and gives a very bullish guidance, people just rush to buy, right? They don't complete their full due diligence in understanding expectations already by the market. Sometimes it is Vinivesh which is driving Nivesh. People hate to sit on cash during bull markets. So just because they sold something or booked profit on something, they start looking at buying something in the market. Invariably, when you are a forced buyer, you end up making mistakes. So Nivesh makes these few mistakes either because of fear of missing out or impatience, or Vinivesh is driving. Sometimes we also make mistakes on valuations, what we are paying. See, no company is so good that you pay any price for it. So it is somehow linked to having that patience to wait for the price to come into your value zone before actually allowing entry. So these are some of the common things that we need to worry about when we are looking at buy discipline or Nivesh.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risk. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.